Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the lower freezer divider in your fridge. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's cracked or damaged. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4-inch nut driver and a flathead screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the refrigerator we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Maytag, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. First thing we're going to do is open up our freezer drawer. And we've got to remove the 2 screws that are holding the door on here. And now that those screws are off, we can just lift up on the door and it'll pull right off. And the next thing we need to do is remove these 2 bin stoppers here. And in order to get it off, what I'm doing is I'm twisting up like so, and that should free it. And same thing on this side, I'm just gonna twist this up, and if you need to, just get a flathead screwdriver, wedge it in there, and give yourself a little bit of help there. So now that the stoppers are out, we can remove this top drawer here, and we're just going to pull it all the way to the end and tilt it and take it out. So now we can get our middle divider out, and in order to do that, we've got on the front and the back, it's latched in there. So what you can do is just pull the plastic part that's latched on the back or the front. If you can't get it, use a screwdriver and use that to help wedge it off. There we go. We got one side, and now we get the other side. And once you've got that out, the back part should come off a little bit easier. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement divider. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So when you're putting the divider back in, just keep in mind there's this front small section right here that's all grooved up. That's where the front part's going to go. Then in the back there are a couple of tabs sticking out. So you're going to want to put your divider in between those areas. And we're just going to angle it in. Get it to lock into place. Then push this forward if we need to, and push that straight down, and it snaps into place. So now we can put the top drawer back in, and when you do this, keep in mind there are 2 sets of wheels. The wheels that are raised up higher are going to go towards the back, and we're just going to line up that wheel with the track, make sure everything lines up, set it in there. There we go. Now we're going to push that back. And now we can replace the stoppers. And all we have to do is just line it up, push it straight back in. And now we're going to line up these 2 round tabs here with the slots that are in the front of the drawer slide. And once those are lined up, set it down in there. And now we can screw it back into place. And now that we've got it screwed back into place, we can close our door, and your repair is complete. What's the difference between a guitar and a fish? You can't tune a fish. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.